Today we're back with the Pinto family, and Adam Rechtenwald from Gardena has been assisting them with updating their yard, from the best way to keep it mowed to trimming down their lush landscaping.
So now that we've got you guys set up with the robotic mower, I did notice that there's a few areas here in the backyard that have some weeds, and I know you really want a nice looking backyard, so we've brought the perfect tool to take care of that problem. This is our new weed puller, and there just happens to be one right here that I figured we could give that a go and show you how that'll work out for you.
So what I have to do exactly?
So you're gonna put the blades right over the center of the weed.
Okay.
Then you're gonna use the foot plate to press that down into the ground. You're gonna rotate 180 degrees and then pull it right up.
Oh, wow.
So this is actually our ejection system, and if you just push down on that, pops the weed right out. Leaves a very small hole that'll be gone by tomorrow, and because we got the roots dug out with those blades, it's not gonna grow back.
This tool is amazing.
Yeah, it'll take great care of the lawn.
Yes.
Construction of this, amazing.
Yeah, no, this actually comes with a 25-year warranty, so you'll be able to use this for season after season to take care of all these weeds.
That's very impressive. I have different types of grass. I have one style of grass here. I have a different style of grass up in the front.
Okay.
Is there a different tool that I could use to take care of my front grass?
Absolutely. I actually noticed that when I pulled in, so I have a different product that'll take care of you. If we want to head out to the front, we can go ahead and get that set up, and I can show you how that'll work too.
Sounds great.
All right, let's go. So Anderson, in the backyard, you were mentioned that you're looking for another cutting solution here for the front, and I wanted to bring out our Gardena reel mower.
This brings memories.
Oh,
When
yeah?
I was a kid, I used to use something very similar to this.
Oh, that's awesome. We've actually been making this particular product for decades. So it's a very tried and true technology, just like you mentioned. But with this particular model, we've updated it with a lot of more modern finishes that you might expect from a newer product. So the way the cutting system works is exactly like the reel mowers that you were probably used to. There's a series of spinning blades that pass along a fixed blade. But what's different about the Gardena mower is those blades actually don't touch. They just come within a fraction of an inch of each other. That still allows the grass to be cut, but because we don't have that friction, the blades never dull out. Tatiana, do you want to go ahead and try this out here in the front yard?
Yes. That is actually pretty easy.
I noticed when we were cutting the lawn that you have these beautiful bushes here in front of the house, but that there's a few areas where maybe the bush is growing a little bit outside of that nice shape. So I've brought some of our Gardena cutting tools. We can get this cleaned up today, and then I'll leave these with you to take care of it season after season.
Perfect.
So this particular set of loppers actually uses our gear technology, and that's gonna give you about 3 times more leverage than a traditional set of loppers that doesn't have that included. So that's gonna be really great for some of these thicker branches.
Oh, I see the product is made in Germany.
Yes, so this is actually a proprietary carbon steel blend up here on the cutting blades. It actually never gets dull, and you're never gonna need to sharpen it for the lifespan of the product. 25-year warranty on these loppers.
Impressive. Are the handles also steel?
The handles are actually made from aluminum, and there's a reason for that. Why don't you take these?
Oh, wow. Can't believe how light this is.
Exactly. So the steel is perfect for the cutting area, but the aluminum handles maintain that strength while really reducing a lot of the weight, making them very comfortable to use. Do we want to go ahead and get some of these branches chopped up?
Sure, let's do it. Oh, wow. That's like butter. Do I have to go get a step ladder for me to reach up there?
So actually, I have another product that'll be perfect for that. This is our telescoping set of loppers. And what's really nice is they can start small for a lot of these jobs like we were doing down here. But if you just need a little bit of a further reach, you can extend both arms of the lopper, and you should be able to take care of some of those tall ones without needing to get a ladder out.
Wow. That is impressive.
And you're gonna get that same clean, even cut with these as well.
Do you have something smaller for my small bushes?
Yeah, absolutely. Why don't we head over that way and we can take a look at one of our other cutting products.
Yeah, sure. Wow, this is small but powerful.
Yeah, our pruners actually have the exact same benefits as our loppers when it comes to the high quality German steel and the comfortable ergonomics.
Well, Adam, I think you just made me fire my landscaper.
I'm just really happy that I was able to come and just continue to give you guys the right tools for the job to keep your property looking beautiful.
I appreciate you. and all the time you put in helping our family get this going.
To learn more about how you can beautify your outdoor space with less hassle and more accuracy, visit us.gardena.com and browse Gardena's wide variety of high-performance gardening tools. Gardena, inspiring people to grow.